Morning everyone, it's Carol here from the stampingground.co.uk, and I'm here with the second tip in our Stamparatus series. I'm going to show you how to die cut very quickly, very easily, and absolutely perfect every time. I'm going to use the hand pen petal stamps and dies to demonstrate this. You can do this with any stamps and dies very easily. Just follow the instructions as what I'm doing here. So I'm going to use this one here and the matching die, and what you need to do is take a piece of cardstock and cut the die out. Just make sure you have a decent sized piece of cardstock, and this is going to sit in your stamp set all the time, just to reuse again and again. So there's no need to stamp, just cut this out. And then we'll just sit it in the corner like that, and you would need to cut out just more blanks, no stamping whatsoever. So you can, again, you could have you could have a stack of these just to take out whenever you need them. So it's a bit like a jigsaw puzzle, this. So once you've cut it out, you're going to take your stamp and you're going to pop it into the cavity. And it's a bit like the jigsaw, you'll feel it sit in. Then pick your stamp up with the plate. I'll just pop a magnet on. And then I'm using black memento ink, so just need to ink your stamp up. And then take one of your blanks and pop it in. Again, like a piece of jigsaw, it fits perfectly. And then just stamp. Now can you see it's perfect all the way around. And there's, I know sometimes when we die cutting, if the die moves slightly, you get it a little bit wonky, but this way you won't get any of that. So you can see, if you were doing a set of Christmas cards, or you was doing anything for a craft fair, etc., you can just pop these blanks in and you can have your die cuts quickly, easily, and like I say, perfect every time. So you can just keep popping them in, ink up, and then stamp, and it's as simple as that. I just think it's a wonderful, wonderful piece of equipment, is this. It does so many. If you haven't seen the first tip in my series, just go to the blog and you will see it. And I will be back with some more tips for this. So like I say, you would pop this this mask into your stamp set and keep it for when you need any die cuts from this. So if you've enjoyed the video, which I hope you have, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back very soon with another tutorial on this fabulous piece of equipment. So until then, thank you very much for joining me, and I shall see you soon. Bye bye.